Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix not being able to gift games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now here's an important note before we continue. If you can't gift games on Steam, it's usually caused by region, payment, or account restrictions. This happens when you and your friend are in different regions or when the price difference is too large between countries. Both accounts must be in compatible regions for gifting to work properly. One common issue is having a new or limited Steam account. To unlock full gifting features, you need to spend at least $5 on Steam. Let's walk through how to add funds to your account to meet this requirement. In the upper right corner, click on your username and select View My Wallet from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Steam wallet page where you can add funds. Once you're there, select the $5 USD option or the equivalent amount in your local currency, then click Add Funds. This will prompt you to choose how you want to pay for this amount. Next, select your payment method by clicking the drop-down menu. You'll see several options depending on what's available in your region, so pick the one that works best for you. After selecting your payment method, enter your payment details in the fields provided, then click Continue to process the transaction. This should add the necessary funds to your account and remove the spending limitation. Now, another common cause for not being able to gift games is having payment method issues. If you're still experiencing problems, you should try using a different payment method. Sometimes certain cards or payment services have restrictions that prevent gifting. Let's make sure you have a valid payment method saved to your account. In the upper right corner, click on your username again and this time select Account Details. Look for the option that says Add a payment method to this account. If you already have saved payment methods, you'll see Manage Payment Method instead. Since I don't have any saved payment methods on this account, the only option you'll see is Add a payment method to this account, so click on it. You'll now see a drop-down menu where you can select your payment type. Click the drop-down and choose whether you want to use Visa, MasterCard, or any other available payment method in your country. Select your preferred option from the list. After selecting your payment type, enter your card details carefully into the provided fields. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any processing errors. Once you've filled in everything, click Continue to save this payment method to your account. Now that you've completed these steps, restart your Steam application completely. After it restarts, retry gifting the game to your friend. The combination of having funds in your wallet and a valid payment method saved should resolve most gifting restrictions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.